Top 10 most beautiful places in the world in this video. We will explore the top 10 most beautiful places in the world to visit in 2025 summer vacations. From stunning natural landscapes to vibrant cities, we'll take you on a journey to discover the hidden gems and must-see destinations that will make your summer unforgettable. Number 10. Santorini, Greece. Start your summer vacation in the enchanting Santorini, Greece. Explore the whitewashed houses and blue-domed churches of Oia, a picturesque village perched on the caldera. Watch the mesmerizing sunset over the Aegean Sea and indulge in delicious Greek cuisine. Don't miss the chance to take a boat trip to the nearby volcanic island of Nia Kamini. Number 9. Maldives. Escape to the Maldives, an idyllic tropical paradise located in the Indian Ocean. Sink your toes into the powdery white sand beaches and immerse yourself in the crystal-clear waters teeming with vibrant marine life. Visit the iconic Grand Friday Mosque and stroll along the bustling Maldivian capital of Mail. Number 8. Kyoto, Japan. Immerse yourself in the rich culture and history of Kyoto, Japan. Explore the serene gardens of the Golden Pavilion and discover the beauty of the Fushimi Inari Shrine with its thousands of red gates. Stroll through the enchanting Arashiyama Bamboo Grove and experience the tranquility of a traditional tea ceremony. Number 7. Banff National Park, Canada. Embark on a breathtaking journey through Banff National Park in the heart of the Canadian Rockies. Marvel at the turquoise waters of Lake Louise and the iconic Fairmont Chateau, Lake Louise. Hike to the top of Sulphur Mountain for panoramic views of the surrounding peaks and valleys. Don't forget to keep an eye out for wildlife such as bears and mountain goats. Number 6. Victoria Falls, Zambia. Experience the raw, natural beauty of Victoria Falls on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. Witness the thundering water cascading down the Batoka Gorge and create unforgettable memories. Take a helicopter ride for a bird's-eye view of the falls or venture closer with a whitewater rafting trip. Number 5. Machu Picchu, Peru. Journey to the ancient Incan citadel of Machu Picchu nestled in the Andes Mountains. Explore the mysterious ruins and learn about its rich history. Hike the Inca Trail or take a train ride to reach this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Don't forget to climb Huayna Picchu for stunning views of Machu Picchu. Number 4. Prague, Czech Republic. Discover the enchanting city of Prague in the Czech Republic. Stroll across the iconic Charles Bridge and explore the medieval Old Town Square with its astronomical clock. Visit the majestic Prague Castle and wander through the charming streets of the lesser town. Don't miss the opportunity to take a boat tour on the Vltava River. Number 3. Zanzibar, Tanzania. Escape to the exotic island of Zanzibar off the coast of Tanzania. Explore the historic stone town with its winding alleys and vibrant markets. Relax on the pristine beaches of Nungwi and Kendwa and enjoy the crystal-clear waters. Do you not forget to go on a spice tour to learn about Zanzibar's rich history as a spice trading hub? Number 2. Azores, Portugal. Uncover the hidden gem of Azores, a volcanic archipelago in the Atlantic Ocean. Explore the lush green landscapes, hot springs, and stunning waterfalls. Visit the charming towns of Ponta Delgada and Horta, and embark on a whale and dolphin watching tour. Number 1. Seychelles. Embark on an extraordinary adventure in the Seychelles, a captivating archipelago in the Indian Ocean. Explore the unique granite boulders, pristine beaches, and vibrant coral reefs. Visit the fascinating Aldabra Atoll, UNESCO World Heritage Site. And do not forget to hike up to the top of Mont Blanc for panoramic views of Mahé Island. And there you have it, our top 10 most beautiful places in the world to visit in 2025 summer vacations. We hope this video has inspired you to explore these incredible destinations and create unforgettable memories. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you a fantastic summer break.